Hey guys, today's video is going to be my July Boxycharm unboxing. You guys don't know what Boxycharm is. Those are my thoughts. I don't know what to say. I've been making videos for 7 years. It'll be... I can't do math. I think it's 7 years this August. I love Boxycharm. It's my favorite monthly subscription service. Yes, I am an affiliate. The technical term is ambassador. So I do get these boxes for free. You guys know that. I tell you guys that. Okay, the theme for this month is fantasy. Fantasy. First thing in the box is from Dermalect. Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. This is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. It retails for $39. It successfully targets the look of... Can you guys tell? I haven't filmed in a minute. Okay. It successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. All of which I have thick skin. Do I have thick skin? I mean, like, yes, I have thick skin. Like, haters don't bug me. You know, like that type of thick skin. But, like, literal thick skin... I mean, I got chubby cheeks. Does that count? I don't know. Features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated micro-encapsulated delivery system. What? English, please. This is probably something I should use because, you know, it targets the signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles. Oh, guys, gotta tell you a story. So, I went to the dermatologist recently and I was thinking about Botox. Like, I was like, yeah, you know, tell me a little bit about Botox because I was like, my wrinkles on my forehead. I use a smoothing filter on my camera so you guys can't really see my true wrinkles. But yeah, I've got, or so I thought. I thought I had like pretty deep wrinkles on my forehead. But she's like, yeah, those are like fine lines. I'm like, it's not even classified as like a wrinkle. It's a line. It's a fine line. And I don't know. I don't know if she just made me feel good because she wanted my money and wanted me to get Botox. That's why she was saying that. But I mean, well, she made me feel good. I'm probably not going to get Botox. I don't know. I was thinking about it. Comment down below if you guys have gotten Botox or, what's the other kind she said they do? Dysport, I think it's called. If you guys have gotten that, comment down below and let me know your experience because I'm very curious. Next thing in the box is from Generation Skin. This is the Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. Retails for $49.99. Marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around the eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Use for dewier, fresher looking peepers. I will definitely try this out. Yes, yes, yes. Firming, depuffing, brightening, all of which I need. I'm excited for this guy. All right, next. Is my camera on? Okay, all right. I'm just making sure we're recording. $1 Billion Brows. It's a brow pencil. Cruelty-free, waterproof, paraben-free. Retails for $16. It's a brow pencil. It's a brow pencil in the color taupe. Oh, taupe. Taupe, I feel like is a weird brow color for me because taupe is, I don't know, just give me a brown. Like, I got brown. My brows are brown, not taupe, you know? Taupe is too, like, I don't know. Well, let's swatch it and see. See... Okay, it looks brown. I don't know, maybe it's just the lighting. I don't know, you guys can't see. I'll try it. But like I said, any brow pencil that I have tried that was called taupe, I think Anastasia Beverly Hills, or maybe it was a NIT Cosmetics one. I think it was a NIT Cosmetics one. It was taupe and it was just like, no, not the right color at all. All right, moving on. Pharmacy Whipped Greens. Oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa and papaya. Retails for $28. An oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. The soap-free, pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. Okay, we'll try it. We will try it. All right, and the last thing in the box for the month of July is not a palette. It's not a palette. Was it last month or the month before that I didn't get a palette? I think it was the month before. But we got some sponges with like cute little faces. Like cute. My nails, not cute. It's from M2U NYC. This is the makeup blending sponge set. Retails for $20. For super soft, latex-free 3D makeup blending sponges in a variety of shapes to help you achieve the exact look you've been dreaming of. Let's see if they're really super soft. Okay, yeah, these are really soft. Like, I would even say they're really super soft. Not just super soft, like really super soft. Now, this is what they look like. I'll definitely try them out. And that's it. That's everything that's in the box. This whipped cream screen cleanser. Yeah, you know, I'll give it a shot. Really excited about these eye patches. The brow pencil we'll try out, but again, taupe, the color taupe, the name taupe scares me. And then this, yes, retinol trifecta serum. We're gonna try this. Or maybe I'll just get botox and it'll be good. But seriously, comment down below and let me know if you guys have gotten botox, because I'm seriously considering it. And she quoted me, I don't know if this is like a normal price, I could Google this, but you guys could also tell me the answer. I think she said $600 and something. Yeah, I think it was like $640 or something like that. And I forgot how much she said I would need. I don't remember that amount. Yeah, I don't know if that's expensive. I don't know. I'm a newbie. I could Google it. So that is it for my July 2021 Boxycharm. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have a link down below. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.